Good day, everyone. I'm Pat Diaz, and welcome to English pronunciation at the sentence or speech level. Today, we're learning about the last feature of volume in English pronunciation, focus stress. Let's begin. When we talk about focus stress, we are talking about the main emphasis given to a word in a spoken sentence. Let me show you. In the sentence, I have a new car, I have a new car, the word new is the loudest sounding word. And here, the speaker emphasizes the word new to signal or to make it clear to the listener that the car is new. It is not a used car, it is not an old car, but it is a new car. Therefore, the loudest word in a sentence or message, in this case the word new, carries the focus stress. I have a new car. I have a new car. So, focus stress clarifies meaning by directing the attention of the listener towards new and or important information in a spoken sentence. For instance, in the sentence, he took the dog for a walk. He took the dog for a walk. The main emphasis is on the word he, as it is new information to the listener. So, who did take the dog for a walk? He took the dog for a walk. Now, in this second sentence, he took the dog to a vet. He took the dog to a vet. The word vet carries the main emphasis as it is the most important information in the message. Where did he take the dog to? To a vet. He took the dog to a vet. He took the dog to a vet. Now, focus stress is controlled by the speaker. So it is you, the speaker, who gives the main stress or focus to a word in a sentence. You select which word. However, focus stress may change the meaning of a message. Let's see how it works. This sentence is normally produced as how are you? How are you? With the focus stress on the word are. And this is the way we use in English to say hello. So the meaning of this sentence is hello. How are you? But if we change the focus stress to the word you, so we say how are you? How are you? It means that I want you to tell me how you are really. So let's talk. How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? This change in meaning may occur even when the same word that received the focus stress normally is emphasized even further. In the sentence, I love you, I love you, normally the word love carries the focus stress to express our love to another person. However, if we emphasize the same word love further, I love you, I am changing the meaning of the sentence to say that I really love you. I love you. I love you. Now, if we change the focus stress to the word I love you, I love you, I am saying that it is me the one who loves you, nobody else. I am the one. I love you. I love you. Finally, if we move the focus stress to the word you, I love you, I love you, I am trying to say that you are the person that I love. I don't love her, I love you. I love you. Another good example is what are you doing? Again, What are you doing? Listen. What are you doing? What are you doing? In the first example, what are you doing? I am focusing the attention of the listener towards the action. Ah, what are you doing? So this means that maybe you are doing something wrong. What are you doing? What are you doing? Now, in the second example, what are you doing? What are you doing? The focus is on the person, you. And this means that maybe you are not the right person to do the action. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Jack. Which way you going, Jack?
Trim that sail!
Trim that
Slack
sail!
windward, brace and
Slack
sheet!
windward, brace and sheet!
Hold the pennant line!
Hold up in the line!
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
No, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
No, what are you doing?
What are you doing? Captain gives orders on the ship.
The captain of the ship is giving orders.
My ship makes me captain.
They be my charts.
That makes you chart man.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Very good. Let's see one example to be sure. I'll see you tomorrow. So, number one, I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. So, in here, I am emphasizing me, the doer. I am the one who's going to see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Number two, I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. In here, I am emphasizing the action. So I am sure what I'm doing tomorrow. I'm going to see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, number three, I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. I am emphasizing who I'm going to see tomorrow. I'll see you, not another person. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. And the last one, I see you tomorrow. I see you tomorrow. In here, I am emphasizing the time, tomorrow. So don't forget is tomorrow. I see you tomorrow. I see you tomorrow. Okay, very good. Now, long sentences can have more than one focus stress. In this case, we have, my grandma told me that story long time ago. My grandma told me that story long time ago. My grandma told me that story long time ago. Okay. And the last one from The Hobbit. In a hole in the ground, there lived a hobbit. In a hole in the ground, there lived a hobbit. In the hole in the ground, there lived a hobbit. Okay, good job. So, the last feature of volume in English pronunciation, focus stress, checked. And remember, volume is essential for an effective communication in English. It is very important for improving your pronunciation, so use it correctly. Well, that's all for today. Keep practicing. See you next time. Bye for now.